Hi there, welcome back to Planner Perfect. And if you're new, I welcome you. I coach women how to write a better story through the power of scripting. And I am going to be sharing with you something new that is launching this Friday, August 2nd. And it is our new Adeline. We're going to talk about this because I'm actually creating a new leather that we tried to get remade to look like Adele, since Adele we had a hard time getting that leather. They're actually retiring it. And so we tried to get it reformulated and kind of get it to look exactly like it. And we can't get it to look exactly like it. So because of that, it is close. So we are naming her Adeline. And I want to show you the new Adeline that is launching this Friday, as well as new sizes will be available for Jordan. So if you know Jordan is our beautiful blue, like really dark cobalt type of blue. That is also coming in some new sizes. So I wanted to share that with you as well. So I'm going to turn you around and show you the difference between our older Adele and the new Adeline to show you where you can get this this Friday. If you're interested in kind of getting a look at close to Adele as you can. So I'm going to turn you around and show you Jordan and Adeline. Okay, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and first off show you really quickly Jordan and the original Adele. But this is the original Adele, okay? And this is an A5 right here. But as you can see, it's really got a lot of variations. It's crinkly. Now, different hides will be different. Sometimes our Adele didn't look exactly like this, but for the majority of them, the leather really looked very similar, where it's crinkly and variegated. So that is the original Adele, and this is A5. This is what we've been low in for a very long time, and really we couldn't get our hands on it. That was the problem. And then we tried to get it then we got it, we tried to get it, remade, that they could try to get it back to, a leather that is exactly in the same family and try to get it to look exactly like it. But we missed the mark on it. We couldn't get it exact, which of course you can't, but we tried to get close. So instead of saying, hey, this is the new Adele, I decided I'm going to just call it a new product. We're going to say goodbye to this variegated Adele, and we're going to say hello to the new Adeline. So this is actually going to be considered a new product. Even though it is like the exact leather, it does not have the same it doesn't have that same look. And I'm just kind of going to show you up close. As you can see, even the color is a little bit different, though I've had this for a very long time. Could have patinaed quite a bit, but the it's just very delicious, very much so the same. It's a squishy leather, but it just is not Adele, and I don't want to ever claim it to be when it's just too, it's not the same. So this is going to be listed on Friday as it's going to be Adeline. So be looking for this. This is going to be coming and dropping this Friday in personal, and it's going to be coming in a B6. So here's the B6. Now I rolled this a little bit, and you kind of get some fun crinkle out of it. So if you ever kind of want to have it kind of look similar to maybe an original Adele in a way where it's kind of got this kind of wrinkling, then rolling it might be for you, but I will leave that up to you. So here's the B6. So that's new, that's going to be stocked, as well as the personal and B6 in Adele. And then the A5 single daisy engraved Adele will be making a debut this month in August, but not yet for Friday's drop. So the first one is going to be the single daisy personal, the regular personal, and then in Adeline, and then the B6. So, and narrow. So and the personal So be totally looking for the narrow, the B6, the daisy personal, and also just the personal without the daisy in Adeline. So you will see that listed on Friday, and it would be 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. That's usually when we do most of our new release. So that is the new Adeline. Let's move on over to Jordan. Jordan has been around. We needed a restock of Jordan. Jordan is this beautiful cobalt blue. Love it, love it, love it. It actually looks really well. If you want a new color for your August subscription box, Jordan is really your girl because she is gorgeous with the seashell that I painted. I think it looks really good, as well as that palm tree, the back of that book. Super gorgeous. I actually have my book with me and I can kind of show you how beautiful it kind of would be. I don't have my hands on A5 yet. I may do the switch, but as you can see just how gorgeous this would be. So, but Jordan is releasing in a couple of new sizes. So this is out and about, but it's just what I had. But I wanted to show you that Jordan is coming on Friday, which is August 2nd, 2024. And it is coming in A5, which is a new size for us. So get excited. A5 seems to be very, very popular right now. So it's coming in, Jordan is coming in A5. Jordan is coming in B6, which is a new size for Jordan. And it's also coming in personal, which is a new size for Jordan, as well as narrow. Yay! And this is all coming in the everyday carry. So I wanted to preface that with even Adeline, that's also coming in the everyday. When the everyday, if you're new, is where you have a notebook in here, and it comes with a notebook. And then it has secretarial pockets in the front that are very functioning and functional, that is just so easy to use and feel good about. So there's that. And so that is the everyday. So that is what's coming on Friday as a new release. So I will list down below exactly what these are again in case you forget, but we've got Jordan coming in A5, we've got it in B6, we've got it coming in personal, we've got it coming in narrow. So pretty exciting, as well as the new Adeline, which is replacing our Adele. Just as gorgeous, honestly, girls. I don't think you're going to be disappointed at all. And remember, the A5 Daisy, I love this one right here, but this one is also coming in A5. It is coming this month. I will let you know when this one drops. That one could go pretty quick, so I do want to make sure everybody has plenty of time to know when that is going to be, and we'll just kind of go from there. So I will make another YouTube video when that is ready to release, and on my other socials as well. Girls, thank you for joining me today. Be sure to share and subscribe, please, to my channel. And until next time, you guys.